Oh, your Spectrum modem light is flashing red and your internet is down. Don't panic. In this video, we'll walk you through the quickest fixes to get you back online. Let's get started. If your Spectrum router's light is blinking red, it can be frustrating. First, let's understand when modem blinking red light. A blinking red light on your Spectrum router typically means your router can't connect to Spectrum's network and having trouble establishing a connection. This can happen for a variety of reasons, but here's a step-by-step guide to get it working again. Step 1. How to cycle your modem. Unplug your modem from the power outlet and wait for at least 30 seconds. This gives a chance to reset and clear any temporary issues. After waiting, plug your modem back in and wait for the lights. Stabilized router red light turns solid blue. You're back online. If it's still flashing, keep watching for more steps. Step 2. Check for service outages. Check for service outages in your area. Sometimes a blinking red light is caused by a problem with your internet service provider. Visit the Spectrum website or use the Spectrum app to see if there are any ongoing outages. If there's an outage, you'll just need to wait for it to be resolved. Once the service is restored, your red light should stop blinking. Step 3. Check cable connections. Inspect your cable connections. Make sure all cables, including the power cord, Ethernet, and coaxial cables, are securely plugged in. Loose or damaged cables can cause connectivity issues. Check the coaxial cable connecting your router to the wall outlet. A loose or improperly connected cable can prevent the router from syncing with the internet properly. Step 4. Reset the modem to factory settings. If the above steps haven't worked, try resetting your router. To do this, locate the reset button on the back of your modem. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds using a paper clip or pen. This will restore the modem to its default settings, which may resolve any persistent issues. Once reset, you'll need to reconfigure your modem settings, such as internet settings, your Wi-Fi network name, and password. Step 5. Contact Spectrum support. Contact Spectrum support if none of the previous steps worked. There might be a more serious issue with your router or internet connection. Reach out to Spectrum's customer support team for further assistance. You can call their support line or chat with a representative on their website. They can walk you through additional troubleshooting steps or help you arrange a technician visit if necessary. I hope this guide helped you fix the flashing red light on your Spectrum router. Remember, if in doubt, Spectrum support team is always ready to assist. Tip to prevent future issues. To avoid repeats, keep firmware updated. Place the router in a cool open space, not enclosed. Consider a surge protector for power spikes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.